hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene and I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I do have a beauty box that I'm fixing my hair. Sorry, that's not going to get edited out either. But anyway, I do have a beauty box that I'm going to share, so let's get to it. All right, friends. I have the Allure Beauty Box for the month of October, and I have spent some time in Hawaii, and I came home to tons of boxes, so I'm just getting around to filming them now, and I'm kind of doing a marathon videoing, but let's get a little sneak peek inside, kind of what the box looks like. And Allure Beauty Box, it does have the items and the prices that are in here. So the first thing, I'm just going to go in order of the thing here. The first thing we have here is this is masking and relaxing, a moisturizing scalp mask. So it's moisturizing. That's what it looks like. I think this is, let's see, this is a retail price of $11.99 for 4 ounces, and this is a full size. So there's that. Love things for my hair, so I will try it. My hair can use, my scalp can use work, so that's always a good thing. So the next thing we have in here is, let's see, this is by Flannery. Haven't heard of that. It's a Lily Bloom Hyaluronic Serum. I kind of might like that, actually. This is retail price $79 for 1 fluid ounce. This right here is 30. It is full size. Are you kidding me? Full size. It's vegan. So can't be mad at getting a $79 product in a $25 box, right? And usually you can get this box, your first box for $20. And so they always offer 5. Sometimes they offer specials with $10 off. I think right now, I think it might just be the $5 off, but $20 and you already get a $79 product. I have a feeling this is a high-end, nice serum. So the next thing I have in here is from a brand that I absolutely love. It's a brand I can't really afford to buy very often. I have bought things from their site when they've had them on sale just because I've gotten them in beauty boxes and love their products so much. This is from Caudalie, and it's an eye cream. So it's just a small size, but with eye creams, they go really far. This is retail price is $28 for 5 milliliters. And this one is 5 milliliters. What? So this is valued at $28 for the cream. So it looks like another maybe full-size product. That's pretty exciting right here. These two right here, those are good deals. All right, so the next thing I have here is a shaving cream, I believe. That's what it looks like. And this is by First Aid Beauty. It says anti-shave stick. So anyway, it's small. It'd be great if you wanted to take it traveling, but anyway, so that's something nice to have. And that is valued, let's see, $20 for 1.7 ounces. I'm sure this is a lot smaller. This is just a 0.35 ounces. So anyway, okay, so the next thing I have in here is Tease Cosmetics. It's Suit. It's a blush. And we don't usually get just mostly all skincare in this box. But a lot of times they'll throw in like one makeup item. So this is a brand I've just seen pop up recently. It's Tease Beauty. I think I just got something from Ipsy with this brand, but I don't know why I'm having a hard time opening it. Sorry, while we're talking here. Get it opened up, and that's what the box looks like. And let's see what the inside looks like. It doesn't look like it's going to be my color at all. Here we go. So that's a blush. Great. A lot of people, this color is great for a lot of people. It's just not me. So anyway, that blush is valued at $22. Also a full price item. Wow. Okay, so the next thing, I still have a couple more things in my box. The next thing we got is a hair, these are scrunchies in a cheetah. There's a cheetah, or there was also a rust color, I think, print. So it looks like a really nice scrunchie. It's big. I have not worn a lot of scrunchies in my time, but guess what? I'm wearing them now. I put them up. I put my hair up on the top of my head in a scrunchie every night. I sleep that way, and I wear it around the house just because, I don't know, I don't always like my hair on my neck and stuff. So anyway, I will use that. So that is valued at, like I said, it looks kind of high-end. It's valued at $11.99, and you can get it at Target. So anyway, the last thing I have in here is the Style Edit. Mine is Blonde Perfection. It's a root spray, and let me show you better. That's what it looks like. And I don't know, do I dare? Let me see. Ooh. Okay, it's kind of more of a brownie color. Or my hair is kind of a white type blonde. I don't know. I don't know. I'll play with it. I don't know how much I'm going to need it. I think I need to spray it like through here and then just kind of go like this. So while we're on this subject, I want you guys to leave me a comment on this, but I have been thinking about coloring my hair a darker color. Not real dark, but just more of a brown color, or blonde, dark blonde, or trying to think of the word. Anyway, I'm just thinking of coloring a little bit darker. If you have any suggestions, let me know. Tell me what you think. Or should I just keep my hair like it is? I don't know. So anyway, when I was in Hawaii and we took pictures and stuff, and I looked so washed out. And I think part of it was my hair. But it doesn't always show that on video. So I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, that's just that. Overall, once again, Allure Beauty usually knows how to do a box. I always trust their opinions. We got the hair tie, the blush, the hair root color spray, the chafing stick, and then this hair for your scalp moisturizing mask. And then we got the, where is that? Okay. We got the hyaluronic serum, $79 value. And then we got the Caudalie. This is the eye serum, and this was like, I think, $27. I do love Caudalie. This is $28 value for that. Love it. Overall, very happy. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items in all. 7 items in a $20 to $25 box. Can't beat that. So I'm a happy Allure subscriber. Some boxes have been better than others. Although this box, everything was okay, good, you know, whatever. But these two products I think are really, really good value. So I'm excited to use those, and that is it for my Allure. So I appreciate you guys being here. Thank you for your support. Subscribe, hit the like button, comment, do those things that help support my channel. Let me know what you think. And I will see you guys all in the next one. Alrighty, friends. Bye-bye. One more thing. I just want to mention, I don't know if I mentioned in the beginning, but I am wearing pink for breast cancer awareness. And I think I might have mentioned that. But anyway, I just want to remind you to be aware this month and to help, maybe help the cause in any way you can. And, okay, so I will see you guys all in the next one. Alrighty, friends. Bye-bye.